Driving for dollars can be super powerful because that's going to get you in the neighborhood that you know you want to be in, but you really do want a system for that. And so does anybody here have door hangers? I hear a story about a gentleman having an 11% response rate from his direct mail. 11% response rate is unheard of. The national average is 1 to 3%. So I'm going to give you some verbiage that I would like you to write down. And it's, we offer a free repair estimate on your home. We can put this on door hangers. We can put this on our direct mail. What we're basically doing is we're letting them know that we buy homes for cash. We close on your timeline. That kind of puts the seller in control, right? If they want to close in 9 days, great. If they want 30 days, okay, we'll give it to them. Let's just get that house under contract. We are running repairs on the house, okay? And let's just say we sit down with that seller and we say to Mr. Seller, because we offered a free repair estimate on their home, Mr. Seller, you have 3 options. You can repair your home and sell it yourself. You can repair your home and list it with an agent and pay commission, okay? Or you can sell it to us. We buy homes as is. We close on your timeline. It costs you nothing in repairs. Do you have a system for your driving for dollars, or are you just willy-nilly out there driving? I've heard nothing but positive things about PropStream. Haven't heard anything bad about Property Radar. Now, they neither one of them have a direct mail campaign that you send out a postcard like Deal Machine. You take a picture of the house. They send out a postcard. It does cost you. But it's kind of, it gets it done right away.